Around the world, there's various barriers to prosthetic care, and by using 3D printing, we're just very grateful that we can benefit from these high-end technologies and be able to apply it to these use cases around the world.
My name is Nick Detchev. I'm the founder and Chief Technical Officer of Victoria Hand Project. Victoria Hand Project's mission is to help people all over the world who are unable to have the resources to get prosthetic care. The Victoria Hand was one of the first prostheses to be 3D printed.
Victoria Hand Project started Hands for Ukraine back in summer 2020. We fit a few patients, and this laid the groundwork for our full expansion into Ukraine in June 2023.
Ну, в зв'язку з тим, що у нас в країні таке коїться, і більш-менш становиться більше інвалідів. Так що треба такий проєкт все більше внедряти, розвивати.
The prosthetics are printed only on UltiMaker printers. However, there are some components like the laser cut parts on the inside that are cut from steel. 3D printing is a very useful tool that can help with the current tools of prosthetics, especially for sockets for upper limbs, because they're lightweight and they can be printed customizable for each person.
Дуже був здивований про замірки і що воно так швидко буде зроблено завдяки цим чудо-принтерам.
Щоб люди почули підтримку сім'ї, підтримку общества, підтримку такого, як тут є завод цей, це дуже велика підтримка цього заводу. Тому що, щоб людина посиділа тут на тележці або вдома сидіти, а коли стає на протези, це відчувається друге життя.
Victoria Hand is a body-powered prosthetic device. We also have a custom limb socket for each patient and standardized hands. The patient will receive their custom prosthetic arm. They will put on the harness kind of similar to a backpack, and by shrugging their shoulders, the motion of moving their shoulder actuates a cable and the hand is able to open and close.
Using the UltiMaker printers with the Ford AM Bass F Pro 1 material, we're able to produce these prosthetic devices. The quality is amazing, and the strength is also very important for the prosthetic devices. Many clinicians around the world are very happy with the end result.
Victoria Hand Project was very uniquely placed in which we bring these 3D printers and this training to the clinics we work in so that everything is produced in-house. Ukrainians making hands for Ukrainians in country on demand.
We have a mission to support our colleagues who provide the services for Ukraine. And that was an honor for us to participate. This is a very big opportunity to make our people more functional and to have more chances for better life.
І протези Victoria Hands – це золота середина між якістю, ціною і швидкістю виготовлення і індивідуальністю самого протеза для людини.
We're very focused on upper extremity prosthetic care. We want to continue to improve these devices.
Як то кажеться, то інвалід почувствував себе людиною.